Guideline based employer retirement plan of compliance. Guidelines is a relative new company that has a profitable, strong safe-haven 401k, optioning safe-haven 401k plans are great small business owners because they allow companies owners to maximize his own contribution even if not all of their employment purchase in the class. Business owners who use the traditional 401k instead may be able from maximize their convention combat the ERL. Because guidelines in a online option, it's easy to set up. It will cost effective the company's basic plans starts a $49 per month plus $8 per employer per month. Other plans which for additional faction cost $78 and $129 per month. Employer are also charge additional account fees, but they are minimal. Guideline is a reactive mini company that has a purchase strong safe-haven 401ks. Safe-haven 104k plans are great for small business owners because the allows companies owners to maximize their own companies not owner even of not all of their employment purchase